In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Capital One Auto Navigator. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Capital One Auto Navigator service to look for your next car is extremely simple. All that you have to do is visit the Capital One website and go to capitalone.com/cars, or simply look for the Capital One Auto Navigator page on Google. You can also download the app for any mobile devices that you have through the Play Store or the App Store. In this video, I'm going to highlight the website, but like I mentioned, the app is also going to be available if you want to follow along on mobile. In here, you can qualify for the service, so you can either click Get Pre-Qualified and input your contact information to see whether or not you are approved to use the Capital One Auto Navigator. So as you can see, you can input your first name, last name, email address, and phone number, proceed through this, or alternatively, click this option if you are already pre-qualified with Capital One. But as long as you do this process through the website and you sign in using your last name, zip code, and last 4 digits of your social security number, you will have full access of the Capital One Auto Navigator service. So the first thing that you will notice is that from the home screen, you can shop by body style, so you can search for specific cars, you can browse through brands or specific models through this list here. At the top, you also have plenty of options. You can see all the cars for sale, meaning new cars, used cars, and all the different dealers. You can do car financing through this website. So if you are trying to finance a car instead, you can enter the amount that you need over here, input the term lengths, and the estimated APR. This will give you a result, and you can see how much you can expect to pay per month. Everything here is going to be updated accordingly, so you can change any of these values as long as you are pre-qualified and ready to apply. Everything, including instructional guides on how to properly manage your money, will be available in here as well. The last option that you have is car research, which allows you to compare different cars available on the service. So you can, for example, choose between any of the 2023 models and see more information regarding them here. You can see the current price that they go for, and you can see if there are any available orders or listings for this specific vehicle on the Capital One Auto Navigator. So you can click on them on this page and you are going to be immediately redirected to the page for this specific listing, which unfortunately I will not be showing you on screen. As you can see, like I mentioned earlier, they have plenty of information regarding auto basics, what you should do to find the car that is best for you, getting a good deal, and managing your car. Just make sure that you do this process through the Capital One Auto Navigator site or the mobile app and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Capital One Auto Navigator. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.